Hi everyone, my name is Vikash Kumar. Today I am going to demonstrate my understanding for assessment 2 of ICT routing and switching, and I'll demonstrate all my understanding and full network setup for company ABC Limited, a global IT company expanding into Australia, and they are creating two branches. One is in Melbourne, other one is in Sydney. I have created network for them and I'll explain everything in this description, and I have created a separate video for the test, ping test and everything, which includes like all the thing in the other video. And let's dive into the video. For the Sydney branch, they are using two different networks. One is the static IPS and other one is DHCP. The static IPS is for server and staff, and DHCP is for employees. And for the Melbourne branch, they are using VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. VLAN 10 is for IT, and VLAN 20 is for HR. For the Sydney branch, they are using two different subnets. So the static IP is 1076.10 by 24 and the DHCP is 1076.20 by 24. Sydney router acts as DHCP server, reducing like need of manually adding IP addresses. It makes the network more easier manageable for the number of users like when they grow. I have excluded 10 IPS from the pool, reserved them from the infrastructure, and then created DHCP pool that assigns IPS default gateway and DNS client. This approach shows how static IPS are used reliably, while DHCP simplifies configuration for the general users. For the Melbourne VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, these VLANs logically divide layer 2 network. Even if the devices are connected to the same switch, traffic is separated. This improves both performance and security. To allow communication between VLANs, I have implemented a router on a stick using sub-interfaces on the Melbourne router. This allows traffic from different VLANs to route through a single physical port using 802.1q encapsulation. For the Ether channel and redundancy on and the bandwidth, I have created a performance link which I have implemented using Ether channel LACP between switch 3 and switch 4. Ether channel combines multiple physical links into one logical link. This increases bandwidth and aid fault tolerance. LACP ensures both negotiate and maintain a stable bundle connection, which is essential in enterprises networks where high availability is critical. For the ACL configuration and traffic filtering, I have implemented an extended ACL on Sydney router. The goal was to allow VLAN 10 IT department of the Melbourne to access the server, while VLAN 2, like the goal was to block them from doing so. This demonstrate core aspect of network security, filtering traffic at the router level of enforcing organizational policy. For the dynamic routing, I have used RIP version 2. To connect Sydney, Melbourne and ISP router, I have implemented RIP version 2, and which is classless distance vector protocol that suppose CID or subnet mask. It simplifies routing updates by automatically sharing routing tables between routers, enabling scalability and reducing manual errors. For because of my laptop, there was some fault, so I couldn't catch my sound in the like screen recording. That's why I'm creating this video separate. So I have done all the verification and testing in the other video, and I have uploaded that video on the YouTube, and I will be providing the link for the both videos. So on that video I have done ping test, IP addressing verification, routing table output, ACL effectiveness and Ether channel confirmation, everything in that video. And for the sound problem, I couldn't make them together. And to conclude, the project helped me practically applying routing and switching concept which I have learned in all the weeks which I have done with Mr. Robin. And the key technologies like VLANs, DHCP, Ether channel, ACL and RIP version 2 were implemented effectively. The design is modular, secure and scalable. I have gained valuable skills from packet tracer by using for the different networks, and all the activities I have been doing on weekly basis have helped me to gain good knowledge for my future aspects.